verses in Gita. He says 18th chapter, he didn't say which ones, but it means 18, 68, and 69. How one who's engaged in preaching Krishna consciousness is very dear to Krishna. Of course, in that Tika of Srila Prabhupada, in this 10th canto, 29th verse, number 15, Prabhupada is actually giving the translation of 1869. So we'll start with 1868 and see what that says. Ya idam paramam guyam mad bhaktesh vavidasyati bhakti mai param kritva mam evaish yat yasham shaya. Nice confirmation. Asam shaya, confirmed, no doubt. Yahidam paramam guyam, one who explains the supreme secret to the devotees, the Parama Guyam. Ultimately, the supreme secret of Bhagavad Gita is Braj Bhav, Braj Bhakti, the Gopis Bhakti. There are many secrets. Rajavidya, Rajaguyam, Bhavajam Paramam Bhavam. Says this is a Rajavidya, Rajaguyam. It's a Guyam. It's a secret, this knowledge of the Atma and Paramatma and Krishna. But then when we talk about Guyati, this word Guyam has progressions throughout the 18th chapter. So here is secret, more secret, most secret. So most secret is Paramam, Ya Idam Paramam Guyam. Perfect, more perfect, and most perfect. Purna, Purnatara, Purnatam. So Paramam Guyam. For one who explains the supreme secret to the devotees, devotional service is guaranteed. And at the end he will come back to me. Mam evaishyas. Mam evaishyat. Evaishyat yashamshaya. Without a doubt. It's not even saying that in the translation. But without any doubt. Translation simply says, for one who explains the supreme secret to the devotees, devotional service is guaranteed, and at the end of his life, he will come to me. Kritva. Ashyati. Ashyati means he comes to me, without a doubt. Then Krishna emphasized, Krishna says that in case Arjuna is doubting what Krishna is saying, because you can read someone's mind, and you say something, and then the person is looking at you incredulously like, no, it's true, it's a fact. Like you say something, so-and-so, and they're looking like, really? I don't believe you. The face is telling, I don't believe you. The mind is saying, I doubt, I don't. No, it's true. Really, I'm telling you, it's true. You'll add that thing at the end of your sentence. It's very common vernacular in speech among human beings to add some emphasis to elicit more belief if you detect some disbelief. No, I'm telling you, I saw it. It's in the Bhagavatam on verse so and so. Oh, really? Oh, let me see. So Krishna is doing the same thing. At the very end, he tags on. Oh, without a doubt, asamshaya. Arjuna, I see in your face, you're saying, really? That if I simply tell these secrets of Braj Bhakti, I tell the secrets about these gopis that always think of you, that you're Priyajis, your Priya Bhaktas,